Hey everyone, I'm Sam from LI Tech Advisors with this week's LI Tech Tip. Today I'll talk about what to do when you're sharing your screen and someone says, "Hey, can you make that bigger?" and you don't know how, so stay tuned. All right, so this week we'll talk about what to do when you simply just want to increase the size of your screen. So first, locate the three dots at the top right-hand corner of your browser. And then in the drop-down, you could find the zoom with a plus or minus sign that will be able to increase or decrease the size of your screen. So the next time you're in a Zoom meeting or Teams meeting and you don't know how to increase the size of your screen, now you do. And that's this week's LI Tech Tip.